My gosh, you guys, it's so beautiful. Well, at least like right at this moment. It's been raining off and on all day, and I'm gonna be out here and I'm gonna try and get this garlic planted. So yeah, I think I might have about 10 minutes or so of nice weather again before it starts to rain. So I'm gonna get to it. I'm just gonna set you right here. So now this was a trick I learned, or I saw from, who was it? Oh, I don't even remember. This might be, oh no, that's nothing. I have rhubarb right here, right down here. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my garlic, I'm gonna line the edges of this with garlic. First, I guess I'll try to get them out of this where you can see, look at, they're growing all over. I don't know, so do I try to cut those off? I don't know. How do I get them out of here without killing them? That's what I want to know. Okay, there's that. These are some red Russian garlic that I got the other day. Oh, look at how overgrown they are. I wonder if I should just plant them like that. They're not going to get very big though, are they, if I do that? Oh man. Okay, well, I'm not gonna completely pull them apart. I'm gonna pull them apart like that far, and I'm gonna just plant them here. So I'll dig a nice big hole, because I don't want to like destroy them, right? And look at, I'm already pulling this off of here. So I'll kind of separate them a little bit. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, well, there's my garlic, and I'm not even gonna water because the ground is soaked. It's been raining all night, and it's gonna rain again tomorrow, so, or later today. So I am gonna try to do a little bit more planting, because that's what we're doing today. We are planting. This, I'm actually gonna put squash in it eventually, but for now, I'm going to put some dill and some cilantro in it. So I just want to dig this in, dig it up a little bit. You can see I had hay on it last year. So I'm just gonna dig that up a bit and mix it in a little with my beautiful dirt. And I guess that's what you call compost in place. And then I'm going to plant tarragon, cilantro, and dill in here. And so what I'm going to do is divide it kind of into thirds. And because they're herbs, I'm again just going to sprinkle the seeds in, and we'll go from there.
I hope you realize what a sacrifice I made going out and getting gas in my car so you could drive it. And I got a chin muffin.
Yeah, thank you.
And I got cat food. And I got caught in the rain.
I didn't, but you look beautiful.
I know, it just poured.
She got caught in that rainstorm I was telling you guys about that I ran in, started just dribbling on me. I finished my herbs, grabbed everything, and ran inside just in time.
And I was just going out of the feed store with the guy with the cat food, so I couldn't turn around and go back in. I had to open up the car for him to put it in. And it was just pouring.
Poor Mom.
Oh, yeah, poor
You're
me.
still beautiful.
I'm going to melt.
You might melt. You're so sweet.
And my glasses are filthy because of they still got raindrops all over.
Someone who told me just yesterday, who cares if your glasses get rained on?
That's right.
Isn't that what I heard? Didn't
I
you all
can't.
hear that?
I'm sorry.
Because now you care.
Now I care.
And what did I do?
You came back in.
I planted garlic.
Oh, well, did you?
I did.
Oh, good.
Planted garlic, and I planted dill, cilantro, and tarragon.
Well, when you get ready to dry the garlic, let me know so I can leave.
Okay, it won't be till fall.
Okay.
Although I am going to be doing some onions, I think, this weekend.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
I'll close my door.
Okay, I've got all those onions in the fridge that I should probably do something with. Sometimes my world is a little bit crazy. So today I have mystery mail. I'm not sure what it is. Now, okay, I think this does not have a return address on it at all, so I don't feel bad showing it to you. I think this is going to be seeds from Gail. I'm pretty sure that's what this one is, but let's find out. More than one seeks. Happy gardening. Best, it's in your nature. From TJ. So this must be one of my seed exchange people. And the card is beautiful, butterflies. And on the back, it has tips on how to attract butterflies. So that's fabulous. And what do we have? We have San Martino violet cauliflower, so a purple cauliflower. Exciting! Ooh, Velvet Queen sunflower, spaghetti squash, and a chocolate cherry tomato. And look at those seeds. So I don't know if those are seed pods or seeds out of the tomato, but that is quite cool. So thanks, TJ. I really appreciate that. Okay. So package number 2 is this little guy, and I think I might know what this is. But if it's this small, it is not what I thought it was when I ordered it. I think it might be the gnomes, the nudie gnomes that I ordered. But I thought they were 13 inches tall. I'd hate to see that they're only 13 centimeters tall, because they're not really going to want to hang out in the garden for that. But I can't think of anything else that I ordered. So that's kind of why I think it might be what they are. Now, this video, if it is what I think it is, this video is not for children. It is. Oh no. That's hilarious. Oh, I'm sure it is. I can feel them. I have to get them open and show you guys. Oh my gosh. I thought they were going to be big enough I could put them in the outside gnome garden. But I have to unpackage them, and then I'll show you both of them at the same time. Oh my gosh, you're going to laugh so hard. But I'm telling you, not for children. Make the children close their eyes or hide their eyes or something. Tell you. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Nudie gnomies. Dun, dun, dun. Aren't they adorable? gonna hide them out in my, well, this might be even easier to hide them out in my gnome garden now, and they'll be very not noticeable, so I may spray them with a protective. I saw them and I could not stop laughing, so I had to have them, but I honestly did think it said 13 inches high when I looked at the description. Obviously I was not looking closely enough because these are like 13 centimeters high. But they're adorable. Too cute. And it is a gnome garden, right? So they're supposed to be small. Cute, cute. And then I have one more package here. Where's my... There it is. There's my knife. And I'm not entirely sure what this is either. It's something I ordered, but I'm trying to think of what I ordered that would come in a box like this. It's a mystery. I'm getting that, what Michelle had with her when she was sick. Oh, no, okay, it's two things. Dave's gonna be so surprised. We get, in the springtime, we have, it's called a California lilac bush, and it gets mason bees all over it. And so I thought, why not hang a mason bee house of our own outside and see if we can't get some to move in. I don't know how exactly mason bees work, but I thought this was cute, and yeah, so that's what that is. And then what was this other thing? Oh, and these are these are potato bags. So, because I am going to grow a few potatoes. We have some more dirt left. So I got these. They are, I think they're 10-gallon. Yeah, they're growing bags. And I'm going to plant some potatoes in them. Yeah, I got, they came in a set of 5. I didn't think they were that wide. They're only supposed to be 10 inches. That's quite a bit bigger than 10 inches, but that's okay. I can grow a lot of potatoes in that. Anyway, so I'm going to leave the rest of them folded up because it'll be easier to pack them that way. Anyway, yeah, so there's my mystery mail, and that was fun. I'm excited now. I have to go show Dave those gnomes. I'm actually going to take you with me for that while we get his reaction. Just pause that for a sec.
It's also perceived.
I have to show you what came in the mail today.
Okay. Those here, that's them. Don't they give you any description of it?
I thought it said 13 inches. And it must have said 13 centimeters.
Probably. Not 13 inches. So what are you going to do with them?
I'm going to still put them outside.
Are you?
Yeah, for sure. Can you pause that, please?
Other federal decorations are also being.
No.
Wow, that seems like a big deal.
Yes, if I use the right one. I've got 3 different things I have to use here in order to do anything. There. Now why?
Now put those down and close your eyes. No, put your hands down. No, hold them out. I'm going to put something in them. Oops. Oh, stop. Don't open your eyes. Don't open your eyes yet. Okay, now you can.
What in the world? Did you expect them to be a little bigger than this?
I did. I thought they were going to be 13 inches.
I'm not going to turn them.
I already showed them and told them this video is not for children.
13 inches.
13 inches. I thought they were going to be 13 inches, like a little over a foot high.
What did it?
It's got to be centimeters. I haven't gone back and looked yet, but
You need to go back.
I need to go back and look.
Where are these guys going to reside?
They're going to go outside too anyway.
in a pot.
Yeah, in one of the pots with maybe the peppers or something.
That's where they need to be.
The hot peppers.
You were anticipating these so much.
I know.
Oh my.
Well, that is that, and I'm going to call it quits because that's all I got for today. I hope that you have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out. Do all that stuff, ring that bell, hit that sub button, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and leave a comment if you can. I will see you soon. Bye now.